Hello students, welcome to the channel. If you're visiting this channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So in this video we are going to tell about the documents which are required for the Kcet document verification 2022. So before starting the video, if you're visiting the channel for the first time, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. So let's start the video. So the first document which you require is the final printout of the CET online application form. So you should take the final printout of your CET online application form, and you should take the signature of your principal or gazetted officer in it, and the seal of your college or the gazetted officer seal. Okay, so this is very important. The second document which is required, that is your CET admission ticket or CET hall ticket. Okay, so this is also very important. Third document which is required for the Kcet document verification is your SSLC or class 10th marks card. Okay, so it should be the original one. So this is your third mandatory document. Fourth document, that is your second PUC or class 12th marks card. Okay, if you have still not got the original marks card of your second PUC, then you can take the internet downloaded marks statement, and you should have your principal signature in it. The internet downloaded marks statement printout will not be accepted without your principal signature. So you should take your principal signature in the next document which you are required, that is your 7 years study certificate. Okay, so your 7 years study certificate, which should be signed by your principal, school principal, and DDPI officer. Okay, so 7 years, minimum 7 years study certificate you need. Okay, so it should include your SSLC study certificate and as well as your class 12 and second PUC study certificate. It should be included in it. Okay, so these are the very important documents which are required for the Kcet document verification. Now some of the special documents which you require. Okay, if you belong to some special category, then you require a Kannada medium certificate. Okay, Kannada medium certificate, a rural certificate, caste and income certificate for all like OBC 2A, OBC 3A, 3B, SC ST. So caste and income certificate. Then if you live in Hyderabad, Karnataka region, then you need that certificate too. So these were some of the certificates. So now let's talk about the document verification. So when will be your document verification? So Dr. Rashwin CN has announced in a press conference that the Kcet document verification will start on 8th August. So yes, on 8th August your document verification will be started. So yeah, I think you got help from the video. So for more updates, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, this much in the video. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.